Hello everyone, welcome to our Canton Fair live show. This is Lizzie from Suoer Factory. I will introduce our wholesale product, SMP 13 ampere controller. The controller is MPPT technology. So the controller has advanced tracking mode to achieve the maximum power of solar panel at any time, and then charge the battery. The maximum power port tracking mode is fully auto and doesn't require user to adjust. The controller max input wattage of solar panel is 115 watts. The controller has reverse protection, short circuit protection. The controller can auto-identify the battery wattage of 12 watts, 24 watts, 13.6 watts, 14.8 watts. The controller also has light control mode and time control mode function. The controller can charge lead-AC battery and lithium-ion battery. Also, the controller has temperature control light. Now, our engineer will show connect DC load. What's more important, must connect battery first and then connect solar panel. Otherwise, it will easily lead to system voltage have identification errors. And disconnect battery positively and negatively. And then we'll connect this battery. Hold on. And then connect DC load positively and negatively. Please make sure all the positive and negative connections are connected before working. Then we'll connect solar panel positively and negatively. Also, the controller have parallel function. You can set up and know about some data from LCD, such as battery type, charge voltage, charge current, DC output, and so on. The controller has smart charging technology, so can extend battery life and improve the whole system performance. It also have self-test function and electronic protection, so can avoid damage caused by installation error and system fault. That's all. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us by email.
Hello everyone, welcome to our live room. This is Venus from Suoer Company. Today, let me introduce our PWM solar charge controller STS series. Its charge current have 10 amp, 20 amp, and 30 amp. Let me introduce this PWM solar charge controller. This controller has 3 battery charge settings have been present: lead acid battery, lithium-ion battery, and lithium-ion phosphate battery. According to the type of battery, with power of memory function, which can remember the setting when user power on next time. How to install the solar charge controller? First, we will connect the battery. After install the battery, the display will show the battery system is identified and the current and voltage of the battery. We can choose the 12 voltage or 24 voltage battery. Make sure that your battery has enough voltage for the controller to recognize the battery type. Second, we will connect the solar panel. This select the excellent performance and reliable solar panel. We can connect the solar panel in series or parallel. Make sure that the open circuit voltage and the total power range of the solar panel is less than the solar controller available range. Third, we will connect the electrical appliance to DC load. The light will on. This controller has LCD display. Charging and discharging parameters can be fully customized. We recommend use 100 watt solar panel match the 10 amp controller. 200 watt solar panel match the 20 amp controller. 300 watt solar panel match the 30 amp controller. Make sure that the maximum input voltage is lower than 15 volts. 100 to 115 amps battery is the best choice. Thanks for your watching. If you have any question, please leave us our message. We will reply you soon. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to our live. I'm Yuki from Suoer factory. Our factory has been engaged in the solar product for over 16 years. Our inverter, solar charge controller, and the battery charger are well known all over the world, especially USA, Middle East, South East Africa, and Yemen, Thailand. Now today, I would like to highly recommend our major product, hybrid inverters. Hybrid inverter, we have high frequency and low frequency hybrid inverters. Now I would like to recommend our PS series hybrid inverters. PS series are high frequencies a PWM solar charge controller and battery charger inside hybrid inverters. Let's see here. This one is PS 3 kVA 24 voltage. You can see the color is yellow and this black. And this is the LCD display and 4 buttons for the function setting. And you can look at the side. You can see many holes here. This design is for the heat dissipation. And this label has important information like inverter mode and the AC charge mode and the solar charge mode. As you can see here, this is on and off power switch and the PV input, DC input. And this one is RS232 communication port. And this one is AC input, RC input, and an input breaker. And all this whole design is for the heat dissipation. Now our engineer will show you how to connect with the solar panel and the battery. And let's see this machine. This is the simulate solar panels, and this one is the electric load. And you can see these two are 12 voltage LIS-A battery. Now our engineer will show you how to connect. At first, we need to connect the battery. About battery, you can choose LIS-A battery, gel battery, water battery, and metal-free battery. Now we connect the AC input. This for the city power. Now we connect with the solar panels. Let me introduce this one. Is combiner box for the solar panels. Now we finished the connecting. Let's starting the power on. You can see the input and the output, the voltage from here. And this one is for the battery. Now we will introduce some settings about this machine. There are 3 modes for this machine, the solar first, and the battery first, and the city power first. This one is solar panel first. Now we set in the second mode for the city power first. 像一个是电池，又像什么？像一个电池，又像。And the last one is the battery first. Okay, next one, an AC input voltage arrange. If a set AC input voltage around it will be 90 and 280 voltage AC. And the next one is the UPS. If selected a set AC input voltage array, it will be within 170 to 280 voltage AC. Now we setting for the battery type. The number 5. And if user define is selected, battery charge voltage and low AC cutoff voltage will be set up in the progress 26, 27, and 29. It also have the auto restart when overload coverage. The number 6 is restart disable. Restart enable. Auto restart when over temperature occurs. It is the number 7, restart disable. Restart enable. Now next, we will setting for the output frequency. This is the number 9, 50 Hertz. And the 60 Hertz for your choice. and maximum city power charging currents. We can choose 10 amperes, 20 amperes. This is for the 20 amperes. Now we setting voltage point back to the city power circuit when the select SBU priority of the solar first in the program number 1. And this one is setting voltage point back to the battery mode when setting SBU priority of the solar first in the program number 1. This number says so the solar first. Solar energy will charge battery as first priority. City power will charge battery only when the solar energy is not available. This around control, around off. This one is stay at latest screens. If selected, this display screen will stay at the latest screen user-friendly switch. Stay at latest screen. At night, day night on. Now we will setting for the Wi-Fi function for you. This slides for the RS232. When the Wi-Fi is settled, you can see the detailed data on your phone. And you can see the voltage right now and the total capital for the watt. You can see here date, month, years, the difference of the voltage. Now we can carry the rope like juice. We also can carry the induction cooker. So you can see the detailed data in here. The now output is 228 voltage. And this one is for the battery voltage.
它现在显示定时低压。
低压。
嗯。
The number 4 volts is for the battery voltage is very low. And the loading is the 1.5 voltage. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. If you are interested and want to know more, please leave your message and contact us. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome to visit our Canton Fair online show. I am Kay from Suoer factory. Today I would like to introduce MPS series. MPS series look like PS series. PS series built in PWM solar charge controller, and MPS series built in MPPT solar charge controller. MPPT solar charge controller can check the highest point of photovoltaic. In this series, we have MPS 1K24, MPS 3K24, MPS 5K14A, MPS 5K14A Plus. MPS 1K24, the pure inverter is 800 watts, and the AC input is 20 amperes, and it built in MPPT 25 amperes solar charge controller. MPS 3K24, the pure sine wave inverter is 2040 watts, and the AC input is 30 amperes, and the built-in MPPT solar charge controller 60 amperes. MPS 5K14A is built in. It can cover low power 4000 watts, and the AC is 30 amperes, and it built in MPPT solar charge controller 16 amperes. MPS 5K14A Plus, it can cover low power 5000 watts, and AC input is 6 amperes, and it built in MPPT solar charge controller 80 amperes. MPS series, you can see here. This is MPS 5K14A Plus inverter, and the package is like this. Now let's open it and see how it looks nice. And this is honey box. This is the menu. And this is RS232 communication port. And here has the CD. And MPS series, the outlook is yellow and black. It is very eye-catching. You can see here the label. This is the parameter on it. So here is the connection port, and this is for AC input, AC output, and communication port, and DC input, PV input. And here is parallel connection. And MPS 5K14A and MPS 5K14A Plus has parallel function. It can parallel 6 units. It means it can parallel power less than 30 kilowatts. So if you look for 5 kilo higher voltage than 5 kilowatts, you can parallel it. Okay, here is the parallel line. So today, we first connect the lithium-ion phosphate battery because many customers ask for this. They ask this product can connect the lithium-ion phosphate battery. Now today, let's demonstrate one on the spot. This is 14A voltage of lithium-ion phosphate battery. So you can see now the line is connected to the DC input.
小张，拿个套筒。套筒，套筒。我进去什么？
Except lithium-ion phosphate battery, you can choose gel battery, water battery, maintenance-free battery, and lead AC battery. you can see we press the button, and the LCD has some parameter. So it means lithium-ion phosphate battery, this inverter can charge it.
把那两个都拆出来。来，来拆机。你要第几下
？And you just set the battery type, become use, and you can set the battery. USB for battery setting. If user defected is net the battery charge voltage and no DC cutoff. Voltage can be setting up in program 13.6, 13.7, and 13.9. Okay, and many customers ask for three-phase inverter, and this item is single phase, but it can become three-phase. About the three-phase installation, now let's demonstrate one on the spot. Now our engineer is preparing this. Now, 3 pieces of MPS 5K14A plus stay together and ready to power node be a 3-phase inverter. You can see here, first connect this we can see the line, this line connect, this 1, 2, 3 connect here to here. Then this line connect here to here. And this line connect here to here. You can check. Now we can see our engineer in this place connect one line. Okay, has finished. And this line is to connect here, and here to here, and here to here. Okay. Now he is connect the DC The line is from number 2 inverter DC to number 1 DC input. Now the line is connecting from number 3 inverter to number 2 inverter. Okay, 3-phase inverter now has finished installation. Now we are test it can cover the 3-phase motor or not. This is 3-phase motor. Now our engineer is connecting the AC output line. This is simulation of DC power. It shows 15.9 voltage, simulates a 48 voltage battery. And here you can see the connection. And connect the N9. And this line is for L9. This is a lossless code, and pure sine wave shows on the display. And you can see P1, P2, and P3 parallel together. Total power is 15 kilowatts. And now you can see can carry three-phase motor or not. You can check here. And this is for 2.2 kilowatts three-phase motor. And it works. So MPS 5K14A Plus can become three-phase inverter. Many customers ask for voltage higher than 5 kilowatts and looking for three-phase inverter. MPS 5K14A Plus is your good choice, and this model can charge lithium iron phosphate battery. So if you are interested in, just contact us. This product is hot sales with good quality and good price. Thanks for your watching. See you.